Today we live in the culture that people want to make impact, like everyone wants to make impact. And the point is that I see that lots of people, they just want to do anything to make them feel like they are making impact, but they don't have any technical skill. They don't have any concept for the real innovation. They just want to pull off something to feel influential, and that's their main drive. That's a bad way to go, because what can you contribute, right? I'm sure that Elon Musk didn't become Elon Musk because he wanted to stand on the scene and be influential. He was solving problems, and that's why today he's a billionaire and world famous, not because he wanted to be world famous. So that's the wrong angle, and I think many people, they just start from this wrong angle. They just want to be influential and have impact on the world, but they don't have any skill and any concept of what type of problem they want to solve.